Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to go to search bar and type your task manager and click here to open it. Then click on run new task. Then we need to click on browse button. Now on this window, go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. In the Windows folder we need to find out system32 folder, open it, and in the system32 folder we need to find out cmd.exe file. So here it is, just select it and click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to close all the background windows and we will focus on this command prompt window only. Now type these commands, netsh space int ipv4 space reset space reset dot log and hit enter. Once done, type in netsh winsock reset catalog and hit enter. Then we need to restart the system, but before the restart process we need to just go to search bar, type your inetcpl.cpl and simply click here to open it. It will open internet properties. Then just go to connections tab, click on LAN settings and check this automatically detect settings. Then click on OK, apply the changes, click on OK and simply restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.